Good morning, Year 5, and welcome back to your maths meeting. For this session, you're going to need something to write with and something to write on. Make sure you have both of these things, and then come back and press play once you are ready. Let's take a look at Perry's perimeter today. You need to work out the perimeter of the shape. Remind yourself of what the perimeter is. Press pause to work out your answer, and then press play once you are ready. Well done. The perimeter is the distance around a 2D shape. I know that the sides parallel to each other are going to measure the same. Therefore, the side opposite to 23 is going to also be 23. I'm going to double 23 centimetres, which gives me 46 centimetres. I know that the side opposite to 30 centimetres is also going to be 30 centimetres. So I'm going to double that number too, which gives me 60 centimetres. I then need to add my answers together. 46 centimetres add 60 centimetres gives me 106 centimetres. Well done if you got that one correct. Let's move on to convert with Bert. I would like you to work out how many days there are in 40 weeks. You can use the chart converting units of time to help you with your answer. Press pause now to work out your answer, and then press play once you are ready. I would need to look at the part that says how many days there are in 1 week. There are 7 days in 1 week. Therefore, I need to multiply 7 by 40 to find out how many days there are in 40 weeks. I could first multiply 7 by 4, which gives me 28. And I know that 40 is 10 times bigger than the number 4, so I could multiply my answer by 10. 28 multiplied by 10 would give me 280. That means there are 280 days in 40 weeks. Let's move on to formal Phyllis. Your question is 3063 add 1621. Press pause now to work out your answer using column addition, and then press play once you are ready. I'm going to begin in the ones column. 3 add 1 gives me 4. 60 add 20 gives me 80. 0 add 600 gives me 600. And 3000 add 1000 gives me 4000. My answer would be 4684. Nice and simple. Let's take a look at Robbie Round'em. We are rounding to the nearest 100 today, and your number is 358. Press pause now to work out what the answer would be, and then press play once you are ready. I know that if I am rounding 358, if I round down, the nearest 100 would be 300. And if I round up, the nearest 100 would be 400. I'm going to look in my tens column. My number is 5 or more, so that means I'm going to need to round up. Therefore, 358 rounded to the nearest 100 is going to be 400. Let's try another one. We're rounding to the nearest whole number this time, and the number is 0.89. Press pause now to round this number up or down, and then press play once you are ready. I'm going to look in my tenths column this time. I know that if I round my number down, it will be 0, or if I round up, it will be 1. So I look in my tenths column. The digit in my tenths column is greater than 5, so that means that I need to round the number up to 1. Let's move on to negative Nellies. Today we're finding the difference between -1 and 7. Press pause now to work out your answer, and then press play once you are ready. To find the difference, I'm going to count from -1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The difference between -1 and 7 is 8. Well done, Year 5. That's another maths meeting complete. Remember, you can always come back and complete these again.